on Instagram, and here I've been teased for not blinking very often. That's actually a practiced thing. We blink more as we get tired, which as you hear it, you'll probably just say, duh. As we get tired, the neurons in the brainstem that are responsible for alertness and that hold the eyelids open start to falter, and our eyelids start to close. This is why it's hard. The words, I could barely keep my eyes open, which may be how you feel right now. But assuming that you're paying attention and you're alert, when you're very alert, your eyes are wide, your eyes are open. And as you get tired, your eyelids start to close. Blinks actually reset our perception of time and space. This was shown in a beautiful paper in Current Biology. I'll be sure to post the reference in the notes. And blinking, of course, is necessary to lubricate the eyes. People blink because their eyes might get dry. But if you can keep focus by blinking less, and by focusing your eyes to a particular location, that's probably pretty creepy for you to experience as I'm doing this, but the more that you can do this, the more that you can maintain a kind of a cone or a tunnel of mental focus. And so I'm sort of revealing my practice, which is that I've worked very hard through blinking contests with my 14-year-old niece, who still beats me every time, and it really bothers me, but also just through my own self-practice of learning to blink less and focus my visual attention on a smaller region of space. Now, for me, that's important because I'm mainly learning things on a computer screen. If you're going to be doing sport, it's quite a bit different, and we can discuss how you might translate that to sport. In fact, in the next episode, I'm going to talk all about how plasticity and the focus mechanisms relate to learning of movement practices and coordinated movements. It's an entire discussion unto itself, but the same principle holds. So we need alertness. You can get that through mental tricks of motivation, fear or love, whatever it is. Pharmacology, please do it healthfully. Caffeine, if that's in your practice. Certainly want to be well hydrated. That it actually will increase alertness. Having a very full bladder will increase alertness, although you don't want your alertness to be so high due to that all you can think about is the fact that you have to go urinate, because that's very distracting. You don't want your alertness to go through the roof. You need focus, and visual focus is the primary way in which we start to deploy these neurochemicals.